Today we'll show you how to make lavender Play-Doh with the cooked and no-cooked methods. Hi, and welcome back to our channel. The full blog post and recipes for these two methods are on the DIY Craft Club website, and I'll leave the link below for y'all. We'll start off with the no-cook method. Start with 1 1/3 cups of flour, 1/2 cup of salt. To that, add 2 tablespoons of cream of tartar, and some lavender flowers. Now into a larger bowl, pour in 1 cup of warm water and add in 5 to 8 drops of lavender essential oil. Then 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and this is going to give the Play-Doh a nice silky feel. If you don't have purple food coloring, you can mix in pink and blue, and if you have the gel kind like I do here, it makes a really lovely purple. Next, add the flour mixture right in. At this point, you should have a very soft dough now. Here's what it should look like. If you feel that it could use a little bit more flour, don't worry, because we're going to need some in right now. So knead some more flour in until you get a consistency that's soft but doesn't stick to your hands. There's not really a one recipe fits all, because you might be in the part of the world that has more humidity than someone else. So it's best to start off with the 1 1/3 cups of flour first, and then knead in the extra until you get the texture right. Some of you might only need to add in just a little bit of flour, and then some of you might need to add in a whole bunch more. I've been kneading for about 4 minutes, and I added in about another almost 1/2 cup of flour altogether. And it smells so good in here right now, you guys. Okay, this is how it should look like now. And to keep it fresh, just put it in a container with a snap lid like this one, and it will keep in the fridge for a few weeks. And if you have clean hands when you're playing with it, it might last even longer. Now for the cooked method. And this is the same recipe, just a different technique. Everything is going to go in all at once. And just give it a stir and cook this on medium heat, and this is going to cook for about 4 to 5 minutes. As it cooks, the gluten in the flour is going to start to relax, and it's going to start getting really stretchy. And now you can just adjust it by adding in more flour. Get it to a consistency that's still slightly sticky. And now you can start kneading in extra flour until you get a consistency that's no longer sticky. The cooked method will take quite a bit more flour than the no-cook method. And you can see the difference here. The no-cooked on the left looks and feels more like store-bought Play-Doh, and the cooked on the right has a super soft and silky feel to it. If you do try both methods, let us know in the comments which one you prefer and how it turned out for you. Thanks for watching! Have a great day, everyone!